Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado is featured in a glacial blue paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. It includes features such as heated front leather bucket seats, a power sunroof, our all-new Google Assistant, black alloy rims, a power tailgate, 2-inch factory lift, a spray-on bed liner, and much more. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, our power mirrors, as well as power window controls, some storage in the bottom of the door, as well as our Bose speaker. Inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, our transfer case settings, tow haul mode, as well as our drive modes, and our lighting controls. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have all of our power controls. You can also see the seat here finished in our jet black leather and heated in the front of the vehicle. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our fully digital display cluster. We can rotate our center information system, and that's from the right-hand side of our steering wheel. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings, our forward collision alert, as well as a heated steering wheel button. The right-hand side of the steering wheel has all of our hands-free, as well as the controls for our information system. Moving to the middle, we have our new touchscreen infotainment system. We can see we have AM/FM audio, Google Maps. We also have our phone connection, our 360-degree HD camera with our front view, rear view with adaptive and hitch guidelines, as well as our side views, our in-bed view, and our hitch view. Our front view we can also turn on guidelines for. We have our home button as well as our volume button on the left. You can see we have Google Assistant as well, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Home button and our speaker volume as mentioned below on the left. Then that's just above our push to start ignition. Then we have our lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start engine, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, downhill assist, as well as all of our windows being down at the same time. Integrated brake controller, heated seats for our driver and passenger on either side of our dual zone climate control, USB and USB-C on the passenger side, storage just below that. Our shifter in the center, we have our button on the side that we can shift into drive, and up top for park. Then we have our 2 cup holders, storage between the cup holders, a wireless charging pad below our center console, another storage spot where we can see our key. We have our locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and alarm system. Center console, leather finished with storage up top. Inside, we can see we have a tray up top that we can remove for deep storage, a USB-C, USB, and a 120-volt plug. Moving to our passenger seat, we can see it's also finished in our jet black leather and is heated for the passenger. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, rear check reminder, lighting controls, power sliding tilt sunroof settings, power sliding third rear window, universal garage door opener, and lastly, our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, we can see on the front we have our red tow hooks. Moving down the side to our front tire and rim, we have a black alloy rim with an all-terrain tire, Z71 badging in front of our front door, black mirrors, as well as our black finish door handles. Back of the vehicle has our Trail Boss badging, as well as our side bumper step. All the way at the back, we can see our Chevrolet, Silverado, and LT badging in black, dual chrome exhaust, trailer hitch in the center, backup camera on the left-hand side, as well as a power tailgate with a single release button. You can see it's an easy open. It is also an easy close tailgate. Inside the bed, in-bed lighting, an 120-volt plug, cable tie-downs in the front and back, and across the bottom and the sides, we have our black bed liner. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle itself, we have storage compartments in the back of the driver's seat, Passenger seat as well. Between the two seats, 2 cup holders with storage. Our 2 vents, a USB-C and USB plug. Moving to the seats in the second row, we can see they're all finished in our jet black leather. Center seat, we have our foldable center console with our 2 cup holders and some storage. Behind it, our power sliding third rear window. Then in the outboard seats, we have our storage pockets that we can get at by simply pulling. We can see we have some storage inside. Then if we lift up on the bottom of the seats, we can fold them up in a 60-40 folding split and reveal some storage underneath, as well as an all-weather mat. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.